Today, we're talking about one of the most asked about tools in small business, GoHighLevel. If you've heard the name, but you still aren't totally sure what it is, what it actually does, or whether it's even right for you, this video is for you. By the end, you'll know exactly what GoHighLevel is, what it can do, who it's built for, and how to get started if you do decide it's the right fit. Let's get into it. The problem. Here's something I hear from small business owners constantly. I've got too many tools and none of them talk to each other. You've got one app for your email list, another for booking appointments, another for your contact database, maybe another for building landing pages, and somehow you're paying for all of them separately every month, and half the time the data doesn't sync properly and things fall through the cracks. A lead fills out a form on your website, but nothing happens. You find out 3 days later and the lead has already gone somewhere else. That's a real problem, and it costs real money. GoHighLevel was built to solve that exact problem. It's one platform that pulls all of those tools into a single dashboard. So your marketing, your contacts, your follow-up, and your sales pipeline all live in one place and actually work together. So what is GoHighLevel? GoHighLevel is a sales and marketing platform. At its core, it's a CRM, which stands for Customer Relationship Manager, combined with a funnel builder, email and SMS marketing, workflow automation, appointment scheduling, and a whole lot more. The idea is simple. Instead of paying for 5 or 6 different tools and trying to connect them all with Zapier, you log into one platform and it all just works together. It was originally built for marketing agencies, which is why you'll sometimes see it marketed that way. But over the last few years, it's become a really popular option for small business owners, coaches, consultants, and service providers who just want a reliable system that handles the basics without needing to be a tech expert. As of 2026, over 1 million businesses are using it. The 5 things GoHighLevel does. All right, there's actually more than 5, but let's break down these 5 core features because this is where it gets practical. Number 1 is the CRM. This is the foundation of everything. Your CRM is where all your contacts live. Every lead who fills out a form, every client you've worked with, every prospect you've talked to, their name, phone number, email, conversation history, what stage they're at in your sales process, it's all in one place. And the key thing is that everything else in GoHighLevel connects to this. So when someone fills out a form, they get added to your CRM automatically. When you send an email, it's logged against their contact record. When they book an appointment, it ties to their profile. It's all connected. For most business owners, just having a clean, organized CRM alone is worth the investment. Now, real quick, if you want to get started with GoHighLevel, we've got a link for you down in the description. And this link's a little different than some of the other ones you might see on the internet. This one gives you a free 30-day trial. So you can go ahead and try it out for a whole month and just fall in love with it on your own. We'll keep that link for you down in the description. Now, once you log into GoHighLevel, you're met with something that looks like this. Now, if we go over here on the left-hand side, we can come into contacts, and here we can go ahead and see that CRM. Now, if we come up here and click on add a contact, this is where we can add that contact. I'll go ahead and put myself in here. You can put your email, you can put phone numbers, contact type, maybe it's a lead, maybe you're a customer. You can select the time zone and click save. So now this is what it looks like inside of that contact. So we've got all that information over here. We can go ahead and type a message straight to this right here, and we can see that's gonna go ahead and send an email. And this is where all that activity is over here on the right-hand side. That's a super quick overview, but that's essentially what the CRM looks like. Number 2 is the funnel and website builder. GoHighLevel has a drag and drop builder that lets you create landing pages, full websites, lead capture forms, and sales funnels without writing any code. You can start from a template or build it from scratch. If you've ever used something like ClickFunnels or something similar, this works in sort of the same way. You build a page, someone lands on it, they fill out a form, and that lead flows directly into your CRM. So to get to that, we come over here on the left-hand side and click on Sites, and then we have Funnels right here. And we go ahead and click on New Funnel, and you can either go from blank, create one with AI, or select a template. Let's just go ahead and look at some of these templates right here. And we've got tons of different filters over here on the left-hand side, so you can go ahead and see what's gonna look best for you. Maybe you're an HVAC and you wanna check out this HVAC repair. We can go ahead and click on Preview, see what it looks like. Scroll down here, it's extremely professional. All you need to do is go in and fill it out with your own information and your own pictures, your own reviews, and it's good to go. Now, one thing that's cool too, you can go ahead and see what it's gonna look like on an iPad and a mobile device, which is important because most of the traffic's gonna come from mobile anyways. If we go ahead and click on Choose Template, it'll go ahead and build it for us here in just a couple of seconds. And now we're inside of the drag and drop builder. So again, all you need to do to go ahead and change something is click on it and change it. It's really that simple. So instead of comfort and efficiency restored, hot and cold at the click of a button, something like that. It's that easy. Number 3 is email and SMS marketing. Inside of GoHighLevel, you can build email campaigns, send automated follow-up sequences, and even send text messages to your leads and clients, all from the same platform. This is big because SMS has open rates that are way higher than email. If you're only following up by email, you're leaving a lot of response rates on the table. Number 4 is workflows and automation. This is where things get super powerful. So a workflow in GoHighLevel is basically a set of rules. If this happens, do that. If someone fills out your form, send them a text. Wait 2 days, send them an email. If they book an appointment, add them to this pipeline stage. If they don't respond in a week, follow up again. You set this up once and it runs on autopilot. Your leads get followed up with even when you're not at your computer. So to go ahead and work on that, we can come over here to the left-hand side and we click on automation here, and that'll put us under the workflows tab. And this is where we can go ahead and create a workflow or build one using AI. So we can build from scratch, build using AI, select from a template, or import from a campaign. So let's go ahead and select the template here. And for example, here's an appointment confirmation. So we can go ahead and preview this. So the trigger is someone books an appointment, then they're gonna send a confirmation email. It's gonna wait 24 hours, and then 24 hours before the appointment, it'll send a 24-hour reminder email. 1 hour before the appointment, it'll send a 1-hour reminder email, as well as a 1-hour reminder SMS. It'll wait 5 minutes before, 5-minute reminder email, and a 5-minute reminder SMS. Now, when you go ahead and click on choose template, you can go in there and change those actual emails and texts. Super powerful. And this is just scratching the surface. Number 5 is the appointment calendar. GoHighLevel has a built-in booking system. You connect your calendar, set your availability, and prospects can book directly through your website or funnel. No back and forth over email. No scheduling links from a separate app. It's just built in. And when someone books, it triggers whatever automation you've set up, like we just saw. Maybe it sends them a confirmation text. Maybe it adds them to a specific pipeline stage. Maybe it sends you a notification. All automatic. So who is GoHighLevel actually for? Now, I want to be real about this because GoHighLevel is not for everyone. It's a good fit if you're a service-based business, a coach or a consultant, a local business that runs on appointments and leads, or if you're a marketing agency. Basically, if your business involves capturing leads, following up with those leads, and converting them into paying clients or customers, GoHighLevel was designed for that workflow. It's probably not the right tool if you're running a pure product-based e-commerce store. For that, you're better off with something like Shopify and tools built around product listings and checkout flows. But if you're a real estate agent, personal trainer, marketing consultant, a dental office, a home services business, a financial advisor, a coach of any kind, GoHighLevel is worth a serious look. Now, how much does it cost? Well, there's 3 main plans. The starter plan is $97 per month. That's the entry-level option, and it gives you access to all the core features with one sub-account. If you're just getting started in managing your own business, this is the plan to start on. The unlimited plan is $297 per month, and this is a popular choice for agencies because it gives you unlimited sub-accounts, meaning you can manage multiple clients or multiple businesses under one login. The SaaS Pro plan is $497 per month, and it's built for agencies that want to actually resell GoHighLevel as their own software product to clients. For most beginners watching this, the starter plan at $97 is the place to begin. Now, one thing worth knowing is that there are some usage-based fees on top of your monthly subscription. Things like outbound SMS messages, emails, and calls are charged per use, not included flat rate. The costs are small, but they do add up if you're running high volume campaigns. So just factor that in when you're budgeting. How to get started. So here's the move if you want to try it out. GoHighLevel offers a 30-day free trial if you use our link down in the description below. You get full access to the platform during the trial, so you can actually build things out and see if it works for your business before you pay anything. When you first log in, here's the sequence I'd recommend following. Start with your CRM setup first. Before you touch anything else, go into your account settings and configure your basic info, your time zone, your business name, then go to your contacts and understand how the contact record works. This is the foundation everything else builds on. From there, build your first lead capture form or landing page. Keep it simple. One form, one page. Connect it so that when someone fills out that form, they get added to your CRM automatically. Then set up one automation, one simple workflow. Something like when a new lead fills out the form, send them a text message welcoming them and telling them what to expect next. That's it. Just one automated touch point. Once those 3 pieces are in place, you've got a working system. A lead comes in, they get added to your CRM, they get a follow-up automatically. That's the foundation. Everything else you add from there is building on top of a system that actually functions. So don't try to set up everything on day one. Get the basics working first and then expand. The honest take. I'm gonna be straight up with you. GoHighLevel does have a bit of a learning curve. It's not complicated once you know where things are, but it's a big platform with a lot of features, and it can feel overwhelming when you first log in. The good news is the 30-day free trial gives you enough time to get past the initial setup and actually see what the platform can do. And they have a solid support library and active user community if you get stuck. The value is real. If you're currently paying for a CRM separately, an email marketing tool separately, a booking app separately, and a funnel builder separately, GoHighLevel almost certainly costs less than all of those combined. And since everything's in one place, it actually works together the way it's supposed to. So that's the beginner's guide to GoHighLevel. The link to start your free trial is in the description below. No commitment, so go ahead and get started. And if you found this video helpful, hit subscribe. We put out videos every week on tools, strategies, and systems for building a real business from the ground up. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you here in the next video.